Our screens hurricane rated?
They are, and we sell quite a bit of them in the Hurricane Alley in the United States. So they're rated Hurricane Cat 4, Category 4, which is up to 156 mile per hour winds. So if you have debris that's flying around, you can either board up your windows like some people have to do, or you can get our screens, which are hurricane screens. It's the same mesh, same screen. It'll keep all the criminals out, it'll keep all the bugs out.
And it'll protect you in those severe weather conditions.